I often wonder what the sky outside the prison looks like. I wish I could meet my father and grandmother every day. I don't like it when other aunties fight with my mother. These are some of the musings of the children below the age of 6 years who are forced to bear the collateral damage of their maternal incarceration. Their stories resonate with many other victims of parental incarceration across the globe. In India, according to NCRB 2022, around 1,764 children live inside jails with their incarcerated mothers, most under 6. Globally, Penal Reform International estimates nearly 19,000 children grow up behind bars with a parent or caregiver. When India Vision Foundation went to Seoul for the 4th International Conference on Children with Incarcerated Parents, INCIT, we carried not just research but also the voice of Varsha, one of our alumna. At this global platform, we presented our unique cradle-to-career model and our theory of change, showcasing how children of vulnerable families can be nurtured, empowered, and transformed into confident alumni leading change. For Varsha, it was eye-opening. Children from Korea, India, Australia and United Kingdom face similar struggles, stigma, separation, and the fight for dignity. Stories turned into solidarity, highlighting that every child deserves to be seen, heard, and supported. At the INCIT conference, India Vision Foundation proudly represents India as a dedicated organization working on prison reform. Through our Children of Vulnerable Families (CVF) program, we are currently working with over 480 alumni. On the international stage, we observed a clear pattern: children from countries with strong community support, especially through NGOs working on prison reform and with children of incarcerated parents, were more confident, resilient, and better integrated. In contrast, children without such supportive interventions struggled with low confidence, social isolation, and broken friendships. These models prove that family-centered approaches not only reduce harm but also build long-term resilience. Looking ahead, our roadmap includes focusing on our mission to save the next victim, forming a national coalition of NGOs working with children of incarcerated parents. This journey, from a creche inside Tihar to the global stage, is proof that change is possible when we choose to see those the world has overlooked. These children are not burdens. They are futures waiting to be shaped. India Vision Foundation, born of a commitment to justice and human dignity, continues to walk this path with renewed focus and vision.